Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will look at how to add the Greek letter P to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code. So the Greek letter P is the 16th letter in the Greek alphabet, and we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell. Here we'll add in lowercase p, and the LaTeX code is / followed by PI. And then to actually show this letter, we need to add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code, as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So now when we run the cell, we have a lowercase p here centered in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. And we can also have a look at adding in a capital P. So capital P, and LaTeX code is a / followed by capital P and lowercase I. And we'll add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code, as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So now when we run the cell, we have a capital P here centered in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. So this is how to add the Greek letter P to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.